Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Like This. In today's video, we're going to explore some effective communication techniques that can help you think fast and talk smart. Whether you're giving a presentation, participating in a meeting, or engaging in a casual conversation, these tips will make you a more confident and articulate speaker. Let's get started. First things first, stay calm under pressure. It's easier said than done, but staying composed can help you think clearly and respond effectively. Take deep breaths and focus on your message, not your nerves. Remember, staying calm is the key to staying sharp. Next, organize your thoughts. Before you start speaking, take a moment to structure what you want to say. Begin with a clear introduction, follow with your main points, and conclude with a strong closing statement. A little bit of planning goes a long way in making your communication clear and effective. Practice active listening. This means fully concentrating on the speaker, understanding their message, and responding thoughtfully. Active listening not only improves your understanding, but also shows respect and empathy towards the speaker. Active listening is a powerful tool in any conversation. Tip 4. Use simple and clear language. Avoid jargon and complex words that might confuse your audience. Clear and concise communication ensures your message is understood and appreciated. Clarity is the foundation of effective communication. Text on screen. Tip 5. Be confident host. Be confident. Confidence comes from preparation and practice. The more you practice your communication skills, the more confident you'll become. Stand tall, make eye contact, and believe in your message. Confidence is contagious, so let it shine. Text on screen. Tip 6. Adapt to your audience host. Adapt to your audience. Tailor your message to the needs and interests of your listeners. Understanding your audience helps you to connect better and make your communication more relevant and impactful. Connection with your audience makes your communication more effective. Text on screen. Tip 7. Use nonverbal cues host. Finally, use nonverbal cues. Your body language, facial expressions, and gestures play a significant role in conveying your message. Make sure your nonverbal communication aligns with your words to enhance your overall message. Actions speak louder than words, so make sure your body language supports your message. And there you have it, 7 powerful communication techniques to help you think fast and talk smart. Remember, effective communication is a skill that can be developed with practice and patience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on improving your communication skills. What techniques do you use to communicate effectively? Share in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.